Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stop sharing OneDrive files or folders and adjust access permissions, all in under 5 minutes. Properly managing your shared content is vital for keeping control over your data and making sure only the right people can view it. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Microsoft account. This is the same account used for OneDrive, Outlook, and your various Office applications. If you haven't logged in yet, simply go to the Microsoft sign-in page and enter your login details. Once you are signed in, you will be on your account's main homepage. Next, you need to find OneDrive within your available applications. Look for the app launcher, which is the grid icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will display your various Microsoft apps. Scroll through this list and click on OneDrive. This will take you to the main OneDrive interface where you can view and manage all of your stored files. Once you are in OneDrive, find the menu on the left-hand side and click on My Files. This section shows every file and folder you have saved. From here, locate the specific item you want to manage. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of data. When you find the file, hover your cursor over it to reveal more options. Look for the ellipsis icon or the More Options button. Clicking this will provide several choices for managing that file. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Manage Access. This opens a panel showing exactly who has permission to access the file. Now we can begin adjusting the access rights. Go to the Links section, which lists every active link that allows access to the file. If you want to completely stop access for a specific link, click the trash bin icon next to it. This action revokes access for anyone using that link. A confirmation box will appear asking you to verify the change. Click Remove to finalize the process. This ensures the link is permanently deleted and your file is secure. Finally, you might see specific individuals listed who have access. You can remove them by selecting their name and clicking the Remove option. This deletes their permissions so they can no longer view or edit your work. You have now successfully managed your OneDrive sharing settings. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.